we believe that our strength is the practical sessions what we are letting them go through, and then they have all the ingredients, original ingredients and the facilities to do their practicals, and then they are very much competent when it goes to the final stage of our thing, and then we are proud to let them go, releasing them go with the practical knowledge what they have, and then they do the original dishes, and we make sure that they follow the correct method of cookery, and then using of the ingredients, and then the all the equipments what we are supposed to, what they are supposed to do at the end of a practical, and then we do assess at the end what their competency, and then the we rate them like what is their strengths and then the weaknesses, and then we rate whatever the place required at the end. So we are very proud to, we are very confident that they will be performing at the latter part of their career, and then it will be a very much strong foundation they are laying here in Win-Stone Culinary School. Individual practicals, like we start with the groups, and then we, when they used to the ingredients and then the equipments and then the tools of the what they are supposed to do, we slowly dissolve the group, and then they do their own individual practicals, and then that even that is been assessed at the final exam. Anyway, they will be doing their exams at the latter part as individuals. So their final product is also been assessed, and then that will be like the standards are being checked, and then competency is being checked always. We are doing Chinese, authentic Chinese dishes, some of the dishes which covers the wok skills, and then the rest of the ingredients of the pre-cooking wok skills, and then the presentation of Far Eastern dishes with them. Today we are doing it as a group work, and then later on they will do it individually. In the demonstration kitchen, we do guide them, and then they take their own notes when we are doing the demonstration, and they follow it. When they come to the practical kitchen, they do by their own, like in individually or in group wise, they do the their dishes along. The basic foundation is there. They are walking to the industry with the strong foundation, and then they will be knowing, like they will be familiar than most of the hotel school in Sri Lanka. They will be more involved with practicals, and then the knowledge, the base is there. So it will be very much easier for them to come up in the career. We are using most of the original ingredients and then the original recipes for teach them, and then they do the practical with the original ingredients. To be a chef, to be honest, they are supposed to be foodies. Like they should be enjoying the food, and then it's like a hobby or kind of a different place where they select their own career with the food. So when it comes to a preparation of a dish, the dish should be edible. Like they are supposed to taste first, and then they do the final dishes with their own, and then when they come in, we just let them go through all the procedures, and then they get familiarized with the equipment, and then they do familiarize with the ingredients plus the tools, everything, and then we make them, discipline them within the kitchen, the rules, and then all the regulations, and then the food safety policies all are been taught. Like in theory, we have theory, and then the practical go parallelly, and then all the hygienic rules and all the regulations have been taught in a classroom, and then it's been practiced in the kitchen. So it's a balanced journey they are going through to the end, and then they will be going out as competent chefs who would be starting at the industry. So these are endless thing where you will be with always a smiley, happy people when it comes to industry, and then you will be more happier when you are with food. Like it's like a discipline area where you get everything, and then but still you can be someone with financially and mentally beneficial, and then settled one. So it's a pathway where you can guide your children to be environment with professionalism involved. So they will be finally become unlimited with a chef with unlimited facilities like unlimited fuel, accommodation, and the vehicle. All are there at the top end. So it will be easy, and then our guidance is there for them throughout. Where even they are connected to us, or if they are out, still they will be connected with us. And then all the professionals are there here in Win-Stone, and then they are more settled and then very much experienced, and they will be guiding you where nobody would be able to compete with us. So we are the strongest, I believe, and then we will be there throughout their career path.